To fix your AOC monitor that is not turning on, start by checking the power cord and ensuring it is properly connected to both the monitor and the power source. Verify that the power button is functioning correctly and that the monitor is receiving power. Next, check the display settings on your computer to ensure that the monitor is selected as the primary display device. If using a desktop computer, try removing the graphics card and connecting the monitor directly to the motherboard to rule out any issues with the graphics card. If the monitor still does not turn on, try pressing the reset button located at the back or bottom of the monitor. This can sometimes resolve issues with the monitor's firmware. Additionally, check the brightness and contrast settings to ensure they are not set too low. You can also try connecting the monitor to a different power source or using a different power cord to rule out any issues with the power supply. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem with the monitor. In this case, you can try contacting AOC support or visiting their website for troubleshooting guides and repair options. It is also recommended to check the warranty status of your monitor to see if it is still covered. To prevent future issues with your monitor, make sure to regularly clean the vents and fans to prevent dust buildup, and avoid exposing the monitor to extreme temperatures or humidity. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially fix the issue with your AOC monitor that is not turning on.